Goods and Services Lesson 3. Now we know about goods and services. We know that there are things that we want or need that we can touch. Those are goods. And actions we need someone to do for us. Those are services. And we know our community has wants and needs too. Today, let's think about where our community gets those goods and services. We can make a T-chart again. You know how to do it. Go for it. Take out your notebook, make a big T. On one side, write goods, where we get it, and on the other side, write services, where we get it. Then, list 4 goods, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 services, 1, 2, 3, 4, that your community needs. Then write where we can get that good or service. For example, goods. You know what we all need? We all need food. We get food at supermarkets and restaurants. Actually, some people also get food at food banks. I'm going to write that too. Services. Well, we need safety. Police help keep us safe. They are in the police station, and police cars, and walking in the neighborhood. So goods are the things we want, and then I wrote where we get it. Services are the actions we need. We need police to help keep us safe. So they're in the police station and cars, and they also walk in the neighborhood. Now you fill in the rest of the chart. When you're done, look at your chart. What do you notice? Can we get the goods and services we want in our neighborhood? Can we get the goods and services we need in our neighborhood? Something to consider. All right, talk to you tomorrow.